When your dashboard lights flicker and your car won't start, there are three main categories of problems to consider. Let's examine each one, starting with the most common causes. Here's how these problems break down by frequency. Battery-related issues account for 70% of cases, alternator problems make up 20%, and general electrical system faults represent the remaining 10%. The most common cause of flickering dashboard lights and no-start conditions is battery-related problems. Let's examine the specific issues you should check for. A weak or dead battery is the primary culprit. Your battery voltage should read 12.4 volts or higher at rest and maintain above 10.5 volts under load. If readings fall below these values, you found your problem. Corroded battery terminals create electrical resistance, leading to voltage fluctuations and flickering lights. Look for white or blue-green buildup around the terminals. Regular cleaning can prevent this common issue. Battery age is a critical factor. Most car batteries fail between 3 to 5 years due to internal cell damage and sulfation. Even if the battery looks fine externally, internal damage can prevent proper charging and cause these symptoms. The second most common cause is alternator problems. The alternator charges your battery while the engine runs, and when it fails, you'll experience these exact symptoms. A healthy alternator should output 13.5 to 14.5 volts while the engine is running. Common alternator problems include worn brushes, a faulty voltage regulator, or a loose serpentine belt affecting operation. The remaining 10% of cases involve various electrical system faults. These can be more complex to diagnose, but are important to understand. Electrical system faults include starter motor problems that create high current draw, wiring issues like loose connections, failed fuses, or relays in the ignition system, and computer malfunctions that affect power management throughout the vehicle. Remember these key takeaways. Start by checking your battery voltage and terminals since they cause 70% of these problems. If the battery tests good, examine the alternator output. Finally, inspect wiring, fuses, and connections for the remaining cases. When your dashboard lights flicker and your car won't start, systematic troubleshooting can quickly identify the problem. We'll walk through the essential steps to diagnose and fix these issues. Step 1 is visual inspection. Start by examining your battery terminals for corrosion, which appears as white or blue-green buildup around the connections. Also, inspect your wiring harness for any damaged, burned, or loose wires. These can cause intermittent electrical problems and voltage drops. Step 2 is voltage testing. This is the most critical diagnostic step. A healthy battery should read 12.6 volts when the engine is off. During cranking, the voltage should stay above 10.5 volts. If it drops below this, the battery is likely failing. With the engine running, you should see 13.5 to 14.5 volts from the charging system. For immediate roadside fixes, start by cleaning corroded battery terminals with a baking soda solution. This neutralizes acid buildup and improves electrical contact. If the battery is weak, jump-starting can get you mobile again. Connect the cables in the correct order, positive to positive, then negative to ground. Remember, complex electrical issues often require professional diagnosis. Modern vehicles have sophisticated electrical systems that need specialized equipment to diagnose properly. Regular maintenance prevents most electrical problems. Check your battery voltage monthly, clean terminals every 6 months, and have your charging system tested annually. Keep in mind that extreme temperatures significantly impact electrical system performance. Cold weather reduces battery capacity, while heat accelerates component degradation. Following these troubleshooting steps and maintenance practices will help you quickly identify electrical problems and keep your vehicle running reliably.